Very happy to see the market are gonna be green, and you will see why I'm very enthusiastic for this stream, because since many weeks the market was very flat, but I think that we are gonna finally see a bull correction. So very happy to see it, and we will see a lot of swing play. So yeah, it's meaning that swing play, the volatility and the potential of gain will be much higher than just sideways phases, and it will be much easier, I think, from maybe today if we see early breakout. Because the setup, don't lie, you know, if we have daily breaks, you will see on many charts, it will be very easier to trade. But of course, do not FOMO, and that's not a financial advice. As always, do your own decision before taking any position according to my lines, because there is always risk of losses in trading. So let's go. Are you ready? Also, yes, for the giveaway, as always, sorry, the wheel will be here. You can earn following my stream up to 50 USDT or USDC. What you can do is follow the stream, of course, comment, be active, and comment your exchange UID, being X Binance more likely, and then I will pick a few lucky winner. I don't know about the amount, it will depend of you. And by the way, let me know if the stream quality is good and if the song is working well, and we can start. Yeah, hello guys, is the song and quality stream is good? I know my keyboard is a bit noisy, maybe I will change it. Also, yes, let me talk about this. So I opened an account with 10k instant account and a prop firm. I'm currently performing very well. I tested this platform on Mubit. Yeah, I think you don't see it, that's good. Just to show my challenge, I already made 15% PNL ROE in a few days, meaning that I can claim already 1,000.5k payout, up to 70%, so that's not bad. Real result always. Of course, I increased my risk here regarding the current market outlook. So if you want to not risk your own funds, you can turn and move on prop firm, because that's very, very good to learn and get payout if you are good without risking your own capital. So more info in my bio, of course, and you can get a lot of bonus and rebate using my code in my bio. So let's start. So I spotted, as I said, many bull setup with large potential. Maybe before we start, yeah. So tonight, no, this afternoon at 15 p.m. So I think it's European time, meaning in 1.5 hours we will have the jobless news, jobless claim. So that is likely the most volatile event of the week for a big investor, meaning that it will have a huge impact on the stock market. But as you know, I don't really care about the news on my strat. I just be aware of the volatility, and you know, from my lines, once the market looks pretty bullish and ready to explode, it feels like the news is gonna be bullish for the jobless claim. What it can mean, it means that we will see on the chart at 15, maybe slightly before the news, we can expect some volatility. So my take, as I'm bullish on most of my chart, we will see a kind of bear trap, meaning that we can see a dump before to see an explosion. So be aware of the volatility in 1.5 hour at 15 o'clock UTC plus 1, because often if the market have a direction, we will see a trap to trap sellers. In my case, I think it will be the case in my point of view, and my strategy will be to DCA from now and to try to catch retest if we are lucky. So do not bet high averages. stupidly at resistance because you can get wrecked in 1 hour regarding the news. Okay, so yeah, for example, I'm trading here. That's very suitable platform. Currently, to show my position, I have Rose USDT 510x, ENSO also just a scalp 110x for 3% target, Plume same, ARB same. Yeah, raising profit, I think I put I don't know. So as it's a swing play, so we have a larger window for trade and for opportunities to gain. I don't really care about putting short-term trade because I know the market direction, and we will see. You will see it live. So that's why when you have a clean direction, why you will do take profit at 3% strategy. That's what I applied. So I changed it during this window of time because the gain will be much more efficient. You will see. So Bitcoin outlook. By the way, comment if everything is good on your side. Some said yes, and comment your UID. So the first one, yeah, will be, let's go. First one I saw, you see, up, okay, and that's, I guess it's Binance UID, yeah, hop. So congratulations, hop, you are the first one. Yeah, okay. So for Bitcoin outlook, yeah, exactly as I expected. I think we are gonna see a bull correction. So I won't explain it again. Charts are exactly the same as a few weeks ago. So we are almost in a 1 month range period. So meaning that it's likely to be a bull accumulation because we are at monthly level. We remain highly, you see, oversell on the weekly. Also, yeah, RSI started to bounce. Maybe, I don't know if this TA is working for some people, yes, but I do not trust it much. But it looks like a reversal channel on RSI. Maybe it can worth to watch it, but you look at the Kijun, meaning that the middle of the range currently acted as support with a perfect break. You see the trap here, breakout of the range, confirmation, rejection inside the Kumo. Usually up, we retest the 50% fib, and then after that we grab volume and liquidities before to move higher. And this is exactly, you see, early breakout stage here. So meaning that when the lagging span is above prices, when prices are above all lines, meaning that there is big chances to see a break. So with this kind of view on Ichimoku and on the weekly level, meaning that resistance are gonna be turned as weak level, even the biggest one here locally. So meaning that we have chance to see a break pretty soon. And if we are not too greedy, the main target, yeah, you will see, if it match exactly, that's literally a master. It will be a master call. Not exactly, but yeah. So if we report the range size from this level to this level, we can have a possible high at 81.5. Okay, I will check if it's a K level, but you have if you look at the daily, we have the early breakout stage here. If we close the daily, exactly as I said, above 72K, then we are gonna confirm a push towards 79 or 80, maybe 81.5, because yeah, you see, oh, that's absolutely insane. You see how it's a kind of mathematical tool, I don't know, but you see this level match exactly with the flat Tenkan. Yeah, and you have the 81.5. It does not look like a K level, but cautious because yes, it can also be a top here, because many people will look at the range size. And of course, the same level I mentioned a few days ago. If you have the breakout of the Tenkan weekly, we can have a break and push toward 86, but likely 84, 85 as K, upper K level, and we have also up the trend line daily. So that's why the momentum remains still bearish on the monthly and weekly. So the breakout could be good for a short term, medium term, likely maybe few days, even some weeks. But we could see, don't forget that we could see something like this if we are not able to push above. Yeah, you see, that's very easy to detect. Ichimoku daily, you see the low here, up. If we are not able to break and reclaim the previous lower low at 85k, then I think this scenario may be still possible, because remember, on our monthly view, we are still in the monthly bearish correction phase, matching perfectly with that, remember, with that line. So this is still the same for newcomers. Remember that I charted this view. So that was the head and shoulders structures, daily, weekly chart, and we are around that level. So meaning that if you look at Bitcoin daily view, no, it was the weekly. Yeah, I think it was, yeah, weekly. We are still in that possible configuration, meaning that the bottom could be at up 50k in my opinion. So that's why you see, if we report, yeah, 48, 50k. So the good question is, now I have a direction on the medium term, short term. Will this correction lead to another ATH or push higher, or will it be just a kind of, yeah, maybe, I don't know, bearish structure to retest the main trend before to see a crash? I don't know. But for now, what I know is that, yeah, I'm bullish for this kind of range. And this is exactly how you should have a plan and a vision to trade, because if you have a time frame to trade, for example, on bull or bear side, you could earn maybe with 80% win rate very, very easily. Yeah. As you can see, I apply the strat here. Look, yeah, you see. So 80% of time it's in green, and I can manage to close as I want regarding the market direction. What else? So I can check Ethereum. Yeah, maybe. So I did not eat, so I'm a bit tired, but let's go to find setups. So I will show you some setup, guys, live now. I just found that. By the way, comment if you agree with my Bitcoin outlook. I just find that collect USDT want to push higher. The pattern is very clean. Now we are very bullish. Remember that I gave this one around 0.52. It's already up a lot. But if Bitcoin break, this is typically the kind of chart. Yeah, I think I will also take a long. So I will, as I have many margin open here, I will only follow my $100 strategy, 10x, 3%. As you know, if you followed my lines, collect looks very nice, you see. So it's not a problem to FOMO on green here, because the trend is very, very green. So this is typically a kind of coin in which I like to play with 3 times DCA. For example, 3% target, entering here likely, if it dump, entering here and here, and the stop loss likely 10% lower under the low. With this direction, yeah, you see we have a kind of daily breakout coming. So I will open, yeah, a first trade live with you. Also ARB is performing very well, nice. I think ARB is gonna explode, we will see it later. So yeah, before you follow, don't, please, this is not a financial advice. Don't risk all your funds and be agree with you, because I'm not responsible of any losses, of course. So I will not FOMO here. I will just put maybe entry. If we look at the VIP, so volume profile indicator, that's a nice tool here. No. Yeah. So this is the VIP. Where it is? I have it here. Just searching for. No, this is not this one. Not this one. So I forgot the name of the indicator, but no, that's not a problem. Take it under my lines. Up. So let's be smart here. So I will try to find an entry on collect. You see, even the pattern looks like it's gonna break. So I will put a first entry 1% lower to not FOMO. If it pump, that's not a problem. So my strategy, 10x leverage here. Entry price, let's say, oh, I see, nice, because look at, okay, the funding rate, I forgot about the funding rates, but it's surely positive here, meaning that bulls are paying for the short. So it can be good to see a positive funding rate, but at some point, if you long at the wrong price, at the wrong entry, you could get trapped. So I will put maybe 0.030 set, yeah. Check and quantity. So meaning that 10x, $100 10x corresponding to this. You see up, and here up on pending order, I will put, yeah, you see up, stop loss, distance in percentage to me. As I'm taking a long, or you see it's already exploding, meaning that if I open my trade now, I could have already earned 3%. That's crazy, you see. So when you detect a strong trend, it's very easy to grab, yeah. But I don't like to FOMO, so meaning that minus 9%, okay, and my TP1 will be net PNL, we said in dollar, maybe let's say 33. Let's go. So meaning that when my position will be open, if the price push 3% higher, I will get $30. And in my strategy, 80% of time, I book profit. So that's pretty cool. You see, I do not FOMO because the rate is positive. So I'm waiting for the news. I'm pretty sure we are gonna see some kind of bearish panic move before the news, as always. And now we can skip to the next one. So you see, I increased, usually, as I said, on my strategy, I don't risk so much like this because the drawdown on the challenge is only 10%. So meaning that if in one day in this challenge you lose $1,000, your account get banned, you are not able to trade anymore. That's why risk management matter, but as long as I'm managing the trade, and as long as I'm very confident like this, I can take the risk. Also, I'm already up 1.5k, so that's why ARB looks very interesting. Yeah, ready to break. So here I open ARB. Yes, I think, yeah, you see corresponding to $500, 10x also on ARB. You will see the setup. Yeah, this is insane. When you are good, Ichimoku gives you everything you need. And you know, you can also detect direction in advance. Yeah, I see your UID. Okay, let me pick your. Okay. Nice. Up. Up. Voilà. Nice. Second one. Okay. You see ARB, So I will move faster on the chart analysis because then you can review on my stream. Just look at the time frame here, very important. Or here you have the time frame, one bar 4 hours, 240 minutes 4 hours. So then you understand when I move, when I scroll. Okay. So ARB, what to say except it's gonna fly. Also, you see we have a kind of triangle reversal, lagging span breakout. Usually we can target the top of the structure, but I guess it will be break very easily. So meaning that in the short term, yeah, I expect to see 7 to 10% move. You see also when you have this is also what I explain every time, but it's working every time. When you have a flat Kijun, you see as always, and you see more I do live stream, more what I'm saying is confirmed over time. So it's pretty cool to do a lot of streams. Then you can verify what I'm saying live, and yeah. So for example, I said a few times that when you have a flat Kijun like this, it's a strong level, you see, and then you see 1, 2, 3, 4 day rejected, lagging span under prices. Okay, correction, I think exactly you will see the magic toward the 0.786 fib maybe. Oh, that's insane. Look at that. Oh la la, you see guys, that's crazy. I did not even know that before I charted. You see, this is only magic, you see. So it's always the same. You have a first impulse, but even with the doji and the volatility, you draw the top, and if you see a retracement on a weekly level corresponding to the 0.786 fib, you know for sure that you are gonna print a new high. So this is even give me more confidence to see a new push. I think the resistance won't hold. ARB is gonna push higher. For me, it's almost certain right now. And if you put Ichimoku now, the daily candle looks ready to break. Weak resistance because we are not inside under the flat Kijun. You have the Tenkan here, no lagging span, which can move toward this level for the next obstacle. So we have likely 8% of pump, but I guess that if you look at the weekly, wow, ARB, crazy. Look at the RSI. So if we are seeing a reversal, this one could pump 50%. So that's why I have bullish pattern, bullish structure. We are oversold, overextend on the monthly and weekly on many alts, and we are about to break this structure. So I think that the market, the altcoin market, could turn very green in few days. We could see what we saw on many bull run phase, because it will be a kind of bull run if we are seeing a 50% pump everywhere for a short-term period. We could see 20-30% on many charts. That's why also I increase my risk. Also on another exchange, I'm already up 130% ROE on copy trading for copy trader in few weeks. So that's pretty clean. And when I have such a window like this, I do not set targets. I enter, I put my stop loss under the previous low or under K levels, because I know that for sure we can push maybe 10-15%, and I will decide when the account will be full green to close all at resistance and to open again lower depending on the market reaction. And of course the news is in 1 hour, but you will see now that I'm very confident. So for short-term target, I will put them here. Also, you can review all my trade and all my charts in my VIP group here, and in my trading channel. Of course, you can join channel and groups. So there is 6K traders active or not. in the group, so that's cool. We can always discuss about and learn from the others. So currently, yeah, ARB is gonna perform. Next, I follow also ZK USDT for fellow traders. You will see why. If you look at my chart, almost all coins have the same structures. You see, weekly view, we are deeply far from the Kijun, and you know what's working in the bull side, in the bull cycle. You see here, deeply far from the Kijun, correction, highly unstable zone here. We pumped, yeah, double bottom 90%. Here, same story. We are very far from the Kijun. Oh, let me check if it's what I'm thinking. From this low to this high. Oh, almost, yeah, not working well, but yeah, you see, it's almost matching with the 0.86 fill. So I guess this is also yeah, strong volume area. Yeah, always matching with K volume area. Just, you see, oh, that's nice. So meaning that you see the POC, the volume profile. If you look at, yeah, if you don't check at the previous huge variation, started from here, yeah, you look, most of people are going to accumulate at this area, you see. So reporting the volume profile, it should match, yeah, this level, this one. So I report the peak, and don't think it's not worth, because most of whales are looking at this stuff, and if it's matching with K level, then I will have a good, yeah, you see, flat 10 can, so I can adjust. So I'm adjusting level by the weekly chart now, and daily, okay, matching with the top of the Kumo, so that's nice. But as it's still very far, of course I won't wait for an 80% move, because it can destroy your mind holding, yeah. So this is ZK. So I'm showing you currently why, yeah, I can check gold, USDT, of course. Okay, yeah, the account is gonna be green. I will claim for a 70% payout. I think 2K, I can get yeah, almost 1.5K around. That's pretty cool. And I did not, yeah, so Mubit gave me the account as a partnership also. That's why you will get a lot of bonuses. You don't even need KYC to trade on the prop firm also. I don't even need KYC. So if you are interested, go in my bio. You will get a lot of bonuses and discount. Yeah. So you will see this is a kind of reversal wedge here. H4 looks pretty good. I'm checking the structures, if it's a reversal structure or not. Yeah, you see the lagging span here looks pretty good. ZK might, if we have a daily close and consolidation here. So the momentum is still bearish. So the worst part is to catch the good timing, because we are still under K resistances, but we are early. As we are early, we can have very nice entry. So that's why even if we are under resistances, the price could still revisit K resistances. So, and if you are able to close your profit early, you will still succeed in your trade. Yeah, you see, I think we are gonna pump once again toward this level. Medium term, maybe 30%, that's not bad. You see here, it can be, it can take more time than the ARB chart, but no matter, as long as I'm holding the position without panicking, then everything is gonna be good. I will check gold, of course. Thank you for your numerous comments. Up, one more. So it's now 14 p.m. I will try to stay at until 15 because the news, jobless claim news will be dropped, and you will see that I'm almost certain that we are gonna see a crash before to see a pump. Maybe we could see, if we are seeing a huge pump before the news, then it could lead to a FOMO run, and what I said could happen regarding the bull phase. So if you are seeing the stream, I think that we are gonna see a bull correction on the alt market, so that's not a bad deal for trading, and I'm very happy to see some bull move, some bull vibe, because the market has been boring for many weeks, almost 1 month right now, even more. So ZK bullish, ARB bullish, and one more. Yeah, I see Rose. You see Rose. Yeah, I have 5 position open, but it's matching with $500 10x, and Rose same. Yeah, you see. Oh, this is very clean. You see. And that's very clean. Head and shoulder. Yes, corresponding to maybe if we are more pro matching. Yeah, something like this. You see the structures, so it's always good to have a structure, you see. So it should match with the left shoulders, can be the head. Maybe it's above maybe it's a double bottom, but the head here is at the level of the left shoulder, so I don't know if it's a valid structure, but it can be something like this. But the most important thing I see on Rose, yeah, you see the daily close, attacking the Kijun, building momentum on the Tenkan, not under, so that's good. I think Rose can, can manage to break and enter inside the Kumo. If you look at the weekly, look at this also, very important structure, looks like a reversal. And same on the weekly, we have the flat Tenkan here. So I think that Rose is gonna, 30%, yes, same as ARB. So that's good. I will minimum take my gain at 5%, meaning that 5% I will earn $250, so that's nice. Yeah, so I already showed you 4 bullish coin. Oh, nice also. Yeah, you see structures also very clean. We have up the top, you see. Yes, so this area, if you don't want to be greedy, and you know I'm not so greedy, yeah, so this will be the weak level. And here you see the trend building momentum, bullish katana information, breakout of the Kumo, bullish inverse head and shoulders, likely. I don't know if it's valid, let me know if you are a pro at this, but I think so. And bullish reversal channel. This is always good to see also a break of the channels, meaning that we are likely building momentum before the next move. And usually if you break the channel, we are gonna visit the top of the channel. So 10% will be my K area, and if we are able to break above, yeah, then we are gonna push toward what I said, 0.1650, 0.1680. I already talked about it. So this is the fourth chart bullish today ahead of Bitcoin. So all chart looks bullish. Yeah, if Bitcoin break, I think that we are gonna see volume inflow into alt market. Of course, I will also double check with the Bitcoin dominance or alt dominance. But when my chart are like this, I think that the Bitcoin dominance could increase ahead of the alt dominance. So if both are increasing, meaning that liquidity outflow will be big, because Bitcoin dominance is already still low. So yeah, let's see. So Rose, that's the first trade. Did I already chart ZK? Yes, I already did, I think. So let me know if you have some question. So remember, I opened, oh, my ENSO trade has been closed. Okay, nice. Near, I see 2 target touch. That's nice. My ENSO trade, where is ENSO? Yeah, oh, still not moving, but I opened a short-term pump, short-term long on ENSO. You will see also why. Yeah, if we adjust properly the trend, looks like, yes, it looks like we are retesting. Yeah, maybe we have the 50% hit here, but I will do DCA. That's not a problem. But look at the Kumo here. So look at also, we have the bullish break, bullish katana information, reversal sign because we excited the Kumo, and 1, 2, 3, 3 red candle, meaning that at the next H4 candle close we could see a reversal, because if you learn basics of trading, usually markets tend to reverse, tend to correct and reverse after 3 red or 3 green candle. So technically ENSO is still stuck under daily level, but if we gain momentum we could see a push higher, and it does not look like a fake move. If you look at the uptrend, it remains solid. Exactly what I said, I opened along around this trend level. So at least if Bitcoin move, I think we are gonna hit again a double top. So I don't know if we are gonna see something like this or like this, but I'm almost pretty sure we are gonna revisit here. So I opened a 10x 3% target. So that's why I think, yeah, and here stop loss maybe 7%. I will do DCA if it consolidates to average my position. So that, yeah, it looks like also, it looks like, yeah, ENSO is gonna break. So my target on ENSO, I will show you. Did I post a target? Yes, $30. So 1.49. So let's see if it's touched during the stream. It will be one more successful call. Okay, nice. Yeah, one more, go for one more UID. Okay, I will take from Binance some, yes. Don't forget to comment your UID, guys. Allez, go for you. Go for you. Oh, copy paste. Okay, nice. By the way, comment, like, and share the stream. I'm also live on X. You have my page, CryptoJobs3. So you can comment, like, and share. And don't forget to subscribe also to my YouTube channel. Yeah, for the newcomers, of course, here. The channel is very new. We are already 1,000, so thank you for following. Go for XAO USDT now. Gold, I did not check it since many days, so that will be something interesting to see. I saw that, yeah, WTI for the crude oil. I posted again a master call on WTI for crude oils. That's wow. My lines are absolutely insane, guys. Oh la la. You look at what I delivered live again. It was during the previous stream. That's absolutely insane. Honestly, do you know some other KOL delivering setup like I did? Wow, look at WTE. So this is crude oil. So I posted this chart. Usually I don't chart this. but with the Iran war, many people asked for it. Look at what I delivered live once again. That's crazy. WTE. So I posted this view. I said that we are retesting a 3.5 years wedge structures weekly. I spotted, difficult to spot it, but you see the head, left shoulder, right shoulder. Okay. I said WTE, so crude oil are gonna push toward 100 plus, and I explained it could even go toward above the 88. So it was at 80, 85, $80. Look at this incredible. So this is absolutely insane. Up it was, yeah. So the latest update will show you, yeah. So this setup, few days later we touched almost 95, as I explained in the stream, and now this is insane. Look what happened, guys. I said that we retested the 3.5 years wage. I guess that this was, so imagine just if you, yeah, also, wow, I called about the POC point retest. So this, you know, price on mainstream media, people say that, oh, WT crude oil done 35%, it's gonna sink lower. No, Trump talked about end of the war possible, but I think it was just to create a retest to trap people. And here, exactly as I said, look, wow, this is crazy. Daily view, we are already up 30% from the, wow, that's insane. 30% up. I think we are gonna move on WTE. Yeah, you see the trend remain pretty solid on the daily. If the weekly succeed this retest, and if we close above, let's say 95, then this will be a gateway for a new ATH. We can even see crude oil exploding toward $150. That's a possibility because we have a 3.5 years wage retest, breakout about to be confirmed. So if it's the case, that will be terrible for industries, for retails in European country, and likely in the around the Hormuz Gulf, and yeah, that will be terrible for the inflation and for the business in Europe. So take care here about this, yeah, and protect your capital always. Diversify your assets. For gold now, let me just make a quick view. It's a bit difficult because, yeah, we are very flat. You see, looks very flat. It looks like we are still in the same range. Okay, so gold, I guess it will, gold price will be impacted by the Iran war, and possible to me. So I'm not a specialist, of course, but if the war in Iran lasts longer, we could see another push on gold because of uncertainty. You see, it can be as long as you see the daily on gold, we are in a bullish territory, but we are under resistances, so still accumulating strongly. Currently we have an higher high here, higher low here. We are very flat, so on the H4 view. So K level you have to watch on for gold, 5,200, 250 maybe, and 5,050, 5,000. So as long as we are hanging around, we can stay very flat for many days. But the K bearish could be triggered under, yeah, daily candle close under 5,030. And if we are able to again close, because you have the 50% range area exactly here. So if the price is gonna build momentum above 5,130, then watch for a potential bull break of the range, but under this level we are inside the lower part of the range, so I'm cautious with gold without direction right now. So I think I gave you all the tools for gold. Also, yeah, weekly outlook, you see. So of course this is the perpetual contract, so I don't watch at historical history because I need to move on the stocks chart, but from what I see, yeah, you have weekly level at 4,960 and doji on the weekly. So yeah, a lot of uncertainty on gold. If you are investors, yeah, then do DCA. If you are a trader, that's not a good idea to trade gold inside this range. Of course, that's not a financial advice. Once again, this is only my my personal outlook. And yeah, I did not talk about these beautiful uptrend structures also. So it can be a bullish accumulation if we hold above the trend, or if we lose the trend, then we are gonna see a possible bearish accumulation. So what's your take for gold XAO? Honestly, I don't really know. I'm not so famous with this kind of chart, but yeah, we are neutral. By the way, let me know if everything is good on your side again. Bing X UID. Oh, I will take one Bing X. Yeah, let's go for you. Bing X, yeah. For the others, up, I guess it's all about Binance, right? Now I told you about many charts, so let's try to find a live trade. I think I will stay with you 30 minutes more. Yeah. Oh, my coffee is now. I forgot about my coffee. I talk too much. Sorry, but I think it's useful for you. Yeah, overall PNL here for today 180, 200. Yeah, let's go, push. I will claim payout. I already succeed the Mubit the Mubit if I can say challenge, but for the paper I don't know how to say, but I already succeed a challenge on the prop firm, so that was my first attempt. So that seems to be easy when you know what you are doing, when you are confident. And yeah, can check Dash, Petrol, I don't know, maybe I can move on top gainers, yeah, from Binance. So yeah, about the prop firm here, it's taking liquidities from Binance. That's why I also talked about it on Binance Square. I hope it will not be restricted. I did not share any link here, of course, because of the rules. But you should know that this one is taking liquidities from Binance. So if you trade on the challenge, you can have the same liquidities and same dashboard, same order book, if I can say, from Binance. So that's a very game changer from crypto prop firm. And if you know about prop firm, oh shit, Trump. What happened with Trump? Did he talk? I said about a crypto prop firm, it's now evolving very fast, and I'm pretty sure you will learn about it soon, because many are building prop firm, but this one was the best I found, with the same interface, same display, same if I can say UX as I like for crypto trading trend. I'm always cautious with this kind of shit coin because this led to $1 billion rug. If you remember, that was the biggest rug pull of history. Trump sold and made billions of dollars of profit. Imagine. Yeah. So I'm really cautious. So let's see what's happening with Trump. Right now, if there is some news, Memcoin announced that the top holder of token will have a chance to attend gala. Wow, that's purely hype. You see why the price likely explode, because it's all about holding a token, and they can meet the president. So it's all about hype, not about utility. So don't invest in this shitcoin for a long term, really. So now that I know likely that it's all about short term, let's see. It's already up. I like to short this kind of shitcoin. We have not even seen any proper retest. We are at daily level low. So let's see. So if there is a bearish divergence, bearish structure, so we are at early stage of breakout daily, but I guess that it's all about hype. Oh, let's see. I like to trade. So for now, you see, the trend is still holding, so it's still risky to anticipate early break above the trend. Yeah, you see, meaning that we have maybe the divergence was in, yeah. Yeah, I will short Trump. I will try to short Trump because I think the hype can be over, and I like to trade this kind of. So I will do 3 times DCA. Yeah, 3% target, 110k. Let's see. So live with you. Up, first entry. So as it's very volatile, of course, I will only risk 100 here. I will put up 10% stop loss, okay, to avoid a 60% move. So I will risk this. Oh shit, did I close my... yes, I made a mistake. Yeah, I will... yeah, shit, I lost. I made a mistake, I misclick. Let's do it again. Okay, I was too fast. I reopen my position. Okay, stop loss, distance. Okay, because as I short, stop loss should be positive. My bad. I set a negative stop loss. That's why it took instant order book field. Okay, -9. Okay, and target as the volatility is very big. You see, we can have 15% golden pocket is here. Usually when you have such a trend, we often retest the Tenkan Kijun line. We are at daily level. I have really doubt that we are gonna break the Kumo at the first attempt. So if so, then that's the risk. I will risk $100. And net PNL, let's put $35. Yeah, so let's go. My target is here. Maybe I FOMO, I don't know, but I like to trade this kind of reversal chart. The risk is high here, so if you follow, that's not financial advice, of course. I just shorted because we are at daily resistance. I think it's just about hype here, and when you have like 60% move, you can easily see, you know, a big retracement. So it's all about level by level. We are at daily high, so I really not expect to see a break. You see, if it's a true break, I think we can retest the 4.0. So yeah, so I'm being above the trend, but I think we are early. Yeah, in my text we could see if we are lucky something like this. If we are not, then it's gonna break. But depending of the price reaction, I will short twice. Yeah, but so if you have more information about Trump hype, let me know. So where is my target? 4 point. Yeah. Oh shit, my bad. Ah no, okay, I fucked. Yeah, okay. So there is not even spread. So the spread is the same as the spot market. So it's cool. I fucked. It was. So let me know if you have some question. Yeah, of course, don't risk about Trump. if you think it's too risky. But I like to, for the adrenaline also, risking some little amount for this kind of chart. That's my take. Volatility is big. We can very easily dump, yeah, because it's a daily level and we are up already. And also, yeah, look at the RSI. Let's see. So this kind of setup usually for me and 80% of time in green. And of course, if you lose, you have to accept the losses. Yeah, one more UID boss. Yeah, okay, Jafar. I will take yours. This is Jafar. Yeah. By the way, don't forget to like and share and comment if you have some question. So let's wait for it. Oh, I see ZK is starting to move. That's nice. Collect. Oh, still not touch the entry. So collect, remember that's the one I will do DCA on. Okay. Up Trump, we can follow it here. Collect, remember that I will do DCA. So we are, oh, it's dumping now, but it's still at my entry. Sadly, why it did not trigger my why did it not trigger my, oh guys, really? Look at this. That's a shame. That was my target on collect, so I was able to book. I could have booked $33. Look, the order book was so sad. For not even 0.000001, it did not fill my order. What the fuck? Shit. Sometimes we are really unlucky. But I don't care, the price is still bullish, so I will hold as long as the momentum remains bulls. If we see a correction, I will buy more because the potential is very large. So sad. Fuck. I hope I will not lose a lot on this one. ZK, yeah, ZK starting to move. I posted early entry in my groups with the setups. Yeah, ZK is gonna play here $500. If we pump 5%, that will be nice. What to trade next? So Pixel already on the ride. It's good to see a lot of big token moving like Render, Tao, FET, meaning that there is a real regain and real hype again on crypto market. So think about that. If people are seeing biggest token, narrative token like FET, EA, RWA token, GPU token moving 20%, 30%, you will have some FOMO on the market, and you will see a lot of fresh liquidities coming in. So that's good, because usually when the market is flat, such token don't pump. You see effect on this move because it was, yeah, last year almost stream, I think. But yeah, sometimes I fail because I don't have 100% of win rates, but most of time when I open the chart, I have the right direction. You see we have created a double bottom on the daily. We are at a daily resistance, but not to be shorted because bullish katana, Render hype. Yeah, Render looks like it's still under K levels. I will put the trend chart also. It's still under K level and trend, so sadly we missed the biggest move. So I want FOMO. Yeah, you see we are at daily level, but the trend is very, very strong at the moment, so it's not worth to short such a strong trend. We broke the range, accumulation, double bottom. So my take, yeah, will be to watch for this level 2.35 maybe. but we are still under the main trend, and we missed the pump. So if there is a sharp dump and correction on render, to me that would be good to take entry on likely golden pocket here. So you see how I think we missed the biggest pump. We are at daily level, so do not FOMO. Maybe if we are lucky to see a retracement, then we can grab demand zone. Yeah, you see we are almost at the 50% fib around that zone. So I expect to see maybe retracement before to see if we are lucky to attack the trend. So the pump potentially is not so high because of the zone and the timing. So we don't have the good timing, and we are at resistance. So we missed it. I largely prefer to take entry on token I share like ZK, Correct, or others, yeah. Because it's not even because the market is gonna pump that all tokens are gonna pump. If this one already moved 60%, 40%, it can correct while the others are gonna pump. So liquidities are moving from asset to asset. So don't forget about this, because this is very helpful, I think, for you. So this is a risky trade, but as long as we are under the high, it should match. It should work for Trump. Maybe I'm mad, maybe not. I will do it with 3 times DCA. Maybe I'm mad. Yeah, I think we are gonna get stuck. Yeah, let's go. I'm mad. Maybe I will open a new DCA. Yeah, let's go. So Trump, as we are pumping, I'm shorting again. Yes, go up. So that's only $100. So meaning that it's 0.1% of the challenge size account. That's why I can open a lot of position. Plus I'm already in profit, so you should always think about drawdown. Yeah, so 9%, take profit. Gross PNL, let's say 35. Yeah, so you will see currently I'm pretty mad to be above the trend, but you know that's not normal to see such fucking sharp trend like this. And if we break the trend, we will see a large sell-off. So that's what I'm anticipating. So as long as we are under this double top, then the correction could be very sharp for Trump. So I usually don't like to trade such a coin, but this is a perfect timing to me for a reversal. What's next? My UID is okay. Your UID is this one. So let's go, guys. You have one more fellow trader, Lad Louis. Maybe I did not. Okay, so I check if there is no doublon. Okay. If you have one more chart, guys, remember that in 30 minutes there will be the news, stocks news, jobless claim news, jobless claim news, yes, and it could impact strongly the stocks, plus also the crypto market. But as you see, yeah, yes, almost my TP hit, yeah, this. So you see when you average your position, that's nice. That's easier to earn because you don't put all your amount, all margin and big margin in one position, and you can average your position depending of the market move. Thank you for your positive comments. Yeah, I need to finish my coffee, but it's now glass coffee, but It's better than cocaine, I think, to get to keep being on track on the market. Caffeine, yeah, better than cocaine, yeah. Also ice bath, ice shower, that's a very nice glitch. I do almost every week and every day for ice shower to keep being positive, to keep having a positive mental, positive, positive, if I can say, psychology, thinking, psychological mind on the market. That's help a lot. When you wake up, I recommend you to go put you in a cold shower, and you will see you will be very productive, especially in the morning, because you have a shot of adrenalines, endorphins, lot of beneficial things. It's difficult maybe at the beginning, but when you have habits, it's become very easy and very useful. It's kind of glitch, yeah. Cold shower. Oh, that's possible. Reversal setup on FET. First time I open the chart, I see a possible. You see, hop, possible retest, and can be a dump coming for FET. Looks like, just judging by the structures, we can have something like this. I hope there will not be a 10%. Oh, nice. ARB, yes. It's gonna move. Yes. Because I put a lot in 500, and here ARB and Rose and ZK. I have big amount in, so yeah. Let's go. So for FET, USDT, structure looks bearish on the 5 minute, but of course we are not rolling the 15 minute. Yeah, you see, momentum remain very bullish on the 1 hour. If you look at the hourly view, that's very easy. It's usually a non-tradable area. So my goal here is to find if there is a trade to take. We are stuck inside this area, meaning that we can range. You see flat Kijun, flat Tenkan, 1 hour time frame. Is it a bull retest, or is it a bearish correction? Likely a solid bull retest. Yeah, also on FET, because we are above the channel, lagging. Oh, yeah. You see why in my trade, and you should also think about this. The higher the time frame is, the higher, if I can say, the higher you should consider the charts. So meaning that more the time frame is large. So if you have weekly and monthly level, you should surely not skip them. If you have 5 minute level, it's weak. If you have weekly level, that's very big. If you have H4 level, that's much more stronger than a 5 minute chart. Okay, so that's why that was just short-term ideas here. But as it's a 5 minute, of course, I delete it because it's no sense. You see, because the H4 suggests that it's a bull retest. So why should I trust a 5 minute time frame chart rather than a 4 hour chart? Because if I draw a bearish setup in the 5 minutes, it will surely not work, because this is a larger time frame support and it may be a consolidation phase. Okay, yeah, Trump is gonna crash, guys. I will earn money. Give me my money back. Yeah, almost. My goal is to push this account to 20k. So already I'm already at, yeah, that's crazy. So this is not on date here. I don't know why. I need to close the position, but the ROE should be plus $200 today. Yeah, let's go, Trump. Make some noise, guys. Share, like, and comment, please, if you enjoy to see my frog hat first, and a good job. I think FET is worth for a long position bullish katana, bullish break to be confirmed tonight inside the cloud, but it looks like same 25% maybe, no 20. So you see almost all charts have the same structure. So I have a 20% room open for a pump for FET, typically a kind of good swing. Yes, nice. Let's go. First trade win on, yeah, on Trump. You see, exactly as I said. So I can do the jingle. Yeah, so this is a first, second win, third win. We can, let's go. And if it's, as I said, it can be head and shoulder structure. Yeah, we are gonna break, you see. So if it pump again, I will short again because we are attacking the trend, sharp move, of course, but people do not understand it. Beginners are gonna say, oh, look at the trend, it's gonna pump higher. Let's go, I will long. No, you will lose, yeah, likely 10-20% because you are FOMO guys, but you know the froggy hat do not lie. So we are back at the first entry. $30 has been booked. Okay, I don't touch it again because I respect the rules. So let's see if we pump again. I will sell again as long as we are under this level. But look at this is interesting to see. You look at the trend. Okay. So meaning that we are approaching the trend, we are retesting it, sorry, now again. So as long as we test the trend many times, I think that we are gonna see a bearish break because the more you test support or resistance in a short period of time, the higher you increase the chance to see a breakout. Okay guys, so this is also things I learned during my journey. I don't know, in books, if I don't remember because I scroll a lot of books and a lot of also strategy from many books, video and tutorial, and also on my own. So yeah, likely if we attack the trend for long, we are gonna see a bearish break up. And to keep it simple, as you can see, we started the real break of the trend here. Some people tend to draw the fib line from this level. I'm not so familiar with, because if you look at the real trend, it started from the breakout and the retest. So for me, the fib levels are matching more when you draw it from the bottom and the retest, meaning that, yeah, then I will have the main support up. Yes, so I guess that we are gonna crash here for Trump coin. Oh, I see IRB is mooning because I have, oh, what happened? Yeah, this is exactly what I said. Ah, no, okay, my bad. I thought everything goes red, but I was scared because I saw some red position here, but this is currently here, the open position. You see, yes, nice. Let's print, guys. $100 here, $100 here. Let's go. Trump is gonna print also. Nice. Let's continue to push. Yeah, and you see also, yes, something important. You see this correction was the strongest one since the beginning of the trend. You see also very important to detect reversal. You see all this trend here. Since the beginning, we have not even seen any sharp or strong correction move, and here this is the strongest one. So when you have low, so stronger correction, and when you create a new low under the previous correction move, then you can guess that you are forming a local top, especially since we are highly overbought and we are at the daily level. So the market is likely to breathe, and that's why I decided to short in the Oh, I see collect. Maybe I will open a long on collect again. By the way, comment if you like the stream, if you enjoy to see my content. Yeah, so maybe I FOMO a lot on the collect position, but I will hold my long. Yeah, it was at daily level. I will not increase the risk right now, but I will open another long. Yeah, likely around you have the SSA and here, so 0.06075 for the next. So you see I don't FOMO. Then what you see here, it's not losses because I know for sure almost that the price is gonna pump again. So if I average, it's likely gonna end in green, and my stop loss is here. I will decrease a bit more, and I will put the second long position. I said limit order hop 0.075 up, and here mil. Okay, stop loss I'll put the same distance, -9, and take profit. I will not put take profit right now. Okay, up. Is it correct? Yeah, okay. So I will have a second limit order here, averaging my first position. You will see, so it will average to this level, but as the momentum is pretty bullish on collect, I guess also with the daily, I guess that we are gonna push towards 0.085. So that's why I'm confident. So also everything is in green right now. Rose is lagging, so that's why that's a good potential for a long for Rose. Yes, so let's go. One more UID. Let's go. Comment. One more UID for the giveaway. By the way, also I would like to do live trading session with others KOL or other traders. So if you know some others good KOL or others good trader, let me know their name. I will contact them to do live session with them. That could be good. Also maybe on Discord with multi-voice stream. That will be nice. Up. Hello everyone. Yeah, let's go for you. I don't know. Up. That's maybe your UID. Prom Zitsky 10. Okay. Up. That's yours. I already choose you. So my bad. Up. I'm just any oil stocks in Binance. For stocks oil in Binance, look at WTE, WTY pair. Yes, I think it's on futures. You have WTA, so crude oil. I think it's on Binance. I saw it. No. Oh no, my bad. I think it's on Bing X maybe, or you can find. Maybe it's not on the same ticker, but I think they have oil pair, but not under the WTE ticker. Okay, let me. Yes, go for you, Zach. Yes, go. Zach Rider 4 up. That's yours. Copy paste. So let's go live for 9 minutes more. I will turn the wheel in 9 minutes to see how will the news impact, the job claimless news impact the stocks market. Oh, Trump is moving again. Okay. Currently I'm still in green. Do you think I should close all my winning position before the news? Because as I expect to see a kind of market crash before, maybe I could close and open lower. So do you think I should close? What do you think regarding the impact of the news? But as I'm bullish, my take is to hold. But before the news or after, we could see a kind of trap. But if it happens, I will not panic. I will just keep my stop loss open, watch how the market react. But I think that after the news, we are gonna likely fly. So do you think I should close or not? Do you think I'm mad to open so many positions? What's your take? Currently, yeah, almost $2,000 in PNL on this account. Let me find one more. Let's talk about Pixel, highly volatile coin. Yeah, so I don't like to trade this. Yeah, technically that's full pump and dump. Yeah, this is pure gambling here. Look at the volatility inside this zone for 70%. Just congratulations if you took this this bottom, but honestly this is pure gambling here compared to Trump. Even if Trump is volatile, I still have a market direction, but here you can see a sharp dump or you can see a pump. I do not know. Maybe on the H1 support are holding, so we are maybe gonna see a pump. But you know, it's very neutral. Typically, it's a kind of pump and dump shame. So it's very hard to say yet. If you look at the weekly view also, yeah, it looks like the chart is dead. Only retesting level, we are very stuck. So this is typically a kind of pump and dump, market manipulation shame. So I don't trade it. Skip. Next, Turbo, maybe Turbo, Agix, Tao, what would you like to... Oh, guys. No way, no way. I see Tao, no way, 245. Oh, my lines are absolutely insane, guys. Once again, just... I don't know why I'm not even at 100k follower, 1000k follower here, stuck at 40k follower. But every day I deliver many masterclass. That's insane. Insane. I talked about Tao a few days ago, exactly as other alt. I said that it's gonna fly. That's crazy. You see, wow, that's what this setup. But in the previous live, I talked about Tao, which was ready to fly, because yeah, you see these structures. I just reported. I think I posted this view, so that's totally insane. Once again, wow, guys, that's crazy. Ay. That's crazy. We are almost in. I told for the $255-$260 for the medium term. Here we are. And if you look at the short-term view, this was the 5-minute view corresponding to the 9 March. And at the 9 March, you see we were up retesting. Oh, that's what. Yeah, the 9 March. We were exactly retesting. You see, we were retesting the flag. So this was matching. Hope if I just review the setup, that's absolutely insane. So if you put this chart up, my bad, this chart compared to that one, yeah, you see we touch 210 here, 210, yeah, so the setup was valid. Then if you zoom on the higher time frames, that's absolutely crazy to see that we are printing 30% of pump. So as I said, when Tao, when biggest player in AI sector, the PN sector, RWA, gaming sector are pumping like this, I think that, yeah, the market momentum is gonna be full green for the next few days. As I said, maybe 3 minutes, we are gonna see the news in 3 minutes. Maybe we are gonna see a market crash. If not, that will be pretty bullish, because if the news is bullish on the jobless claim, then we could see a lot of pump on the market, and I hope it will be the case. Rose is gonna make a move. Yes, you see, Rose is starting to move. I think TP2 almost on my group. Yes, so let's go for Rose. So you will see the before and after. Also, guys, I'm currently creating a website, full website. Inside you will see courses, live stream hub, result hub, my post, of course, partnership also with a lot of partner in the Web3 field, and it will be much easier for the audience to grow. So by the way, if you enjoy the content, share on your media. Yeah, for Rose, let's go. So I'm just waiting because in 2 minutes we have the news. Let's see if we are gonna print. And for Trump, I hope the news will not create a full FOMO on Trump, because the trend is very strong. Go for one more. You see the market is gonna pump exactly as I said. ENSO. Oh, ENSO is back in the green. Nice. Yeah, nice. ENSO is back in green. Cool. Hop. Algo, ENSO, RKM, BOME, AGIX. Checking the volume. Tao, a lot of volume. You see AGIX. Why I don't trade AGIX? Look at the volume. It's Binance, guys. Only $23, $23K volume. This is clearly nothing. So meaning that it pumped 17% today, but the order book is very, very tiny. So I will show you why the chart could lie without volume. Yeah, maybe it's a dead con at this stage. I don't know. You see, this is purely no sense to trade this one. Where is the chart? So that's why if you don't look at the volume, it has been deleted. No, because I don't find any chart on AGIX, but I don't care. That's why the volume is very low, maybe because it has been deleted. BOME USDT looks nice. Some fresh volume. Pixel, lot of volume, but a lot of manipulation in my opinion. Turbo, no trade, we said. Go for FET. No, BOME. Yeah, BOME. Okay. That's a nice chart on BOME. You see the structure looks pretty similar as the one we saw on the chart I shared at the beginning of the stream. So currently we missed, we are at the middle of a run, we are bullish, momentum is strong. So I won't make the same mistake as collect, okay? To FOMO on the trend. We are at, maybe it will pump more, but you know when you are inside the cloud, you are never sure about the market direction, because the volatility, the volume is very huge, and inside the Kumo, you are never sure about the trend, how much time it will take to reach the target. But here you have a bullish katana, so technically BOME can fly toward this level, but you have, yeah, the news has been dropped, so let's see the market direction. Without dump, I guess that the confidence for investor will be bullish. Rose. and I guess that we are gonna see a breakout if there is no dump right now. Yeah, you see for BOME, very big level here, and another one here around the open drive. So if you FOMO, that will be bad. You see also the market structure here. Cup and handle pattern, very nice, very well respected. Cup and handle pattern, trend, boom, we pump. That's nice. So as long as on BOME the price remain above the main trend and above the previous higher low, we can find a K level above, okay, but it's not likely a good time for the best entry. Collect, yeah, I have a second. Okay, my collect order has been filled for the second one. Let's see. So I have a second entry on collect. Maybe this one will be the baddest one of the day. I don't know. Yeah, you see, we dumped a lot. We dumped a bit on the market. Up. Yes. That could be a nice entry zone on BOME, but it's still far. So technically, if BOME keep consolidating on holding above 0.0445, then we can see something like this, but we are still very bullish, so I guess that we can pump before to see a sharp retracement. But I will not trade this one right now. Yeah, you see Trump is moving. So by the way, I will end the stream now. It's been 1 hour. Yes, I forgot about the giveaway. So I will pick 2 people, guys, for the giveaways. Comment your UID right now. I will pick the 2 first with the frog emoji. Yes, John's Crypto. Oh, you took almost my, you almost copycat my name. John Crypto, I like it. I'm the froggy, I know. Yes, one, okay, and the next one, who want to earn? I will check ING, Geocryptonic, yeah, I will check ING. Should I take another short entry on Trump? I am mad. Maybe yes. You see, I think maybe I'm mad. Yeah, let's go. I'm mad. Oh, fuck, I missed. No way. Guys, I was about to short here. It would have been instant TP. Crazy. I told you it's all about fake pump when you know about your levels. Crazy, you see, I was about to short. It could have been instant target. My bad. Fuck. I should have. I missed $30. I could have go through restaurant with that trade in few seconds. My bad, but that's it. I want to say fucking trappy market, but you won't beat me. Let's dump this shitcoin. Let's go. I missed instant gain. I was about to click here. No way. But that's how it works, guys, when you have volatile market. Shit. You see this strategy, how it's efficient. Even if you have a bad entry first, you average, you keep being confident. If you see a market reversal, don't hesitate to close in losses, because if you are not confident, that's a fucking trap, because your voice in your mind can say, hey, hold, but no, you are not respecting your voice, you are respecting the market, not your voice in your mind. Go for the next UID, go for you, and I think that will be the last one. Which one is it? Terendra 01. So are you ready, guys, for yeah, maybe for the second TP? Yes, everything is green. I need full green. I need full green. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah. So good luck for the giveaway. Let's go. I 10, 20, 30, 40 or 50 USDC. Oh no, again. You're not lucky, but that's the deal. 10 USDT. Sorry, but congratulations. Next time maybe you will have maybe 50, but that's still free money. Invest it wisely, and if you want, trade with me, because you can split this and try to earn with me if you want. Up. So yeah, congratulations to the winner. I will post as always, and I will share. Hop. Yeah, I will share the price of the win, and congratulations. By the way, that's only 10, but that's the deal. Yeah, thank you for the stream. I hope you enjoy it. By the way, guys, you can follow and join my groups. 6k member here, 5k is member in the channel. You are great communities. Learn from the others. Ban and block the scammer as always, because I never contact you first, because in my group you have a lot of stealers, a lot of scammers. I never contact you first, so ban them. Please contact me if you see some big scammer. I will also report. And you can join and follow on YouTube. Especially, don't forget to subscribe to my channels. This will help to make the communities even bigger. And thank you for the live, and see you next. I will post about all the chat we see on my channels today. So stay tuned, and check. Up.